In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert Outlook email into PDF. By the end, you'll be able to save any message as a clean, shareable document in just a few clicks. We'll be using Outlook on the web and the built-in print tools in your browser. This approach works on major browsers like Chrome, Edge, and Firefox, and there's nothing extra to install. Start by opening Outlook in your browser and signing in if you're not already. Navigate to your inbox and open the specific email you want to convert. It can be any message, an invoice, a receipt, a confirmation, or something you need for records. With the email open, look to the top right corner of the message pane for the three dots. That's the More Actions menu. Click it to reveal additional options that don't appear on the main toolbar. From that menu, choose Print. Outlook will generate a clean, printer-friendly view of the message. A new tab or window will open with the email formatted for printing. In that new view, click Print again. The second click hands things off to your browser's print dialog, where you can switch from a physical printer to a PDF file. In the destination or printer dropdown, select Save as PDF. Depending on your system, you might see slightly different wording, such as Microsoft Print to PDF or Print to PDF. They all do the same thing: create a PDF file instead of sending the email to a printer. Before you save, take a moment to check the preview. Make sure the message content fits the page the way you expect. If something looks cut off or too small, adjust options like orientation, a portrait or landscape, pages, all or a specific range, margins, scale, or background graphics. These controls help preserve formatting, colors, and links exactly as you need them. When the preview looks right, click Save. Choose a folder you'll remember and give the file a clear name. Adding the email subject and date can make it easier to find later. Confirm the save and your PDF will be created immediately. That's it. Open the email, use the three dots to find Print, click Print again in the preview, switch the destination to Save as PDF, and save the file. A couple of quick tips as you wrap up. What you see in the preview is what will be in the PDF, and attachments won't automatically embed. Download or print those separately if needed. This simple workflow keeps your records tidy and shareable across devices.